people get fish, and then when they're supposed to throw them back in, sometimes people throw them on the fish and call it to eat them. But that's what you're, we're standing there, the dog is on the railing, you're standing right next to him. And he's just looking.
Feeding the fish and throwing the guy parked in the water, and why they stop?
They go right for it.
Fishing nets. It's fun to watch it.
I like to watch them when they slide over the water to come down low. And just gliding. It's like a linear shape, you know. It just glides so smooth, you know. Off the water. And then you see them, they'll be flying around, and all of a sudden, they tuck their wings in and they nose dive right into the water. It's these fish.
When did the time we
I'm not 10 times they get a fish.
when did the time we were out on the airboat, and they'd be right there on the front of the boat.